This USB charging cable is used for Nokia Steel HR only. 36mm and 40mm both are suitable. You can charge your Nokia Steel HR on any USB port. The Nokia Steel HR charger dock protects your smartwatch from overcharging. Nokia Health is now Witlings. Same products, same team, same commitment to your health. For more information, contact our support. Witlings products on must be, ships from and sold by, or Witlings to be eligible for replacement by Witlings. Length 1 meter, 3 feet. Color black. The Nokia Steel HR charger dock protects your smartwatch from overcharging. Nokia Steel HR charging cradle is easy to be used and carried. Top reviews from the United States. Long battery life. The charger worked. The Withings activity watch could be over 4 weeks battery life.